Alright, so today we're in a contemporary development inside the heart of the city.
Let's take a look and see what's behind door number 1.
So although it's blocks from houses that have been built over 100 years ago, this house is about 10 years old. Very unique house. Taxes are high because the property value is so high. But it looks nice so far. And it's interesting because is this okay? Yeah, it almost looks like laminate flooring.
Is it?
No, it's hardwood flooring. Well, it's bamboo. Looks like it's bamboo.
Oh, okay.
Flooring. It's nice. Top of the line appliances, Bosch appliances.
Definitely a very high level type of house.
So you got here. Oh, there we go. Soft closed drawers.
Shauna's thing for these soft closed drawers. The keys at home.
Bank on, but it looks like the agent is actively working to sell it. So we have here living room. Oh, I'm sorry, kitchen, dining room, living room with exposed beams. Nice. So you got a nice view. You stand here, you can kind of see the whole street. And these windows, one of these windows, they look like they're automatic blinds. Maybe not.
I like the lights, yeah.
Let's see what we got here. Take the blinds over the source. Oh, intercom throughout the house.
Is it working?
Nah. Alright, I'm going down. I like to go down first.
Let's go down.
Look, this is like something you don't normally see.
Is this cold? What are you thinking?
Yeah.
Make sure no one slips and falls.
Yep. I mean, it's still a handrail. The question is, if the handrail wasn't here, but I don't see why I wouldn't do it. Lights going on. All right. Very high ceiling. This could be a basement.
Double doors, I love that.
Yeah, 10 feet high ceiling.
Oh, yeah.
Furnace. Furnace looks good. Bathroom, shower.
Furnace. All right, is it a shower too? Oh, yeah.
So you use it as a bedroom or, you know what? No, it's all down here.
Yeah, it looks like they took the closet and put the furnace in there.
Yeah. It's a closet out here. Closet.
Okay.
Storage underneath the steps. And, oh, garage.
Some storage.
Yeah. 2-car garage.
Oops. That's the wrong button. I'll put that back down. All right.
Nice. So it's like one room. I guess you use it as like a family room or a bedroom, depending on what you need it for.
Nice basement.
Living room, kitchen, dining room.
Let's see what's upstairs.
This house, it looks very nice and it's very different.
What are those?
But it's not the biggest house in the world. So front load washer and dryer with a second furnace.
All right.
That's cool. Hall bath. But look, notice a different thing. So how even the cabinet, it's like a floating vanity. The vanity doesn't go down to the floor. So
Yeah.
bedroom. So it's only 2 bedrooms. Let's see.
This is a nice size bedroom.
Plantation shutters. Has kind of like a commercial feel to it, like how the door's like a solid surface door, not 6-panel or anything. That's like a modern, or say a contemporary style house.
What's in here? Just closets?
Closets, yep, 2 closets.
Let's take a look at this closet
Huge
space.
room. Looks like it has a central vacuum system.
Central vacuum, okay. That's something we don't see a lot of.
Not at all.
Central vacuum system.
This is the master bedroom.
Oh, this is nice.
Okay. So it has jacuzzi style, soaking tub, shower. Look at all the different jets in the shower.
Oh yes, fancy. Wow. So definitely a nice one.
Nice size walk-in closet. You really nice size walk-in closet. Check that out in the corner. But the thing about it is, this house is really not that big.
Yeah, nice walk in. Yeah. Imagine waking up in the morning with your coffee or your tea. It's a nice spot.
I think it's house in the room. Yes, what are you thinking?
I think it's nice. I think you're definitely getting what you're paying for it. And you said the cost is roughly how much again?
Over $500,000. You're looking at
$500,000. Yeah.
That's cool.
I think you're paying a lot for the neighborhood for one.
Right, and the type of house, 'cause it's very unique. I mean,
Very unique.
not many folks would have a house similar to yours at all. Definitely move right in. I mean, you could change the paint color if you wanted to, it wouldn't really be required. I like it.
Definitely nice. Yep. Yeah. So I think we're pretty much done here, right?
A couple of different unique touches. Yeah, I think we're done.
Yeah. All right, folks. On to the next one.